Do you know exactly which components do you need to build each one of your products? Everything starts with a solid bill of materials. A bill of materials defines all components, raw materials, byproducts, and quantities that make up your final product. Think about a recipe. Before you start cooking, you need to know exactly which ingredients you will use. A bill of materials can be single level, showing only the direct components from the final product. For example, if we have a plate of pasta with tomato sauce, the components will be the pasta and the tomato sauce. Or it can be multi-level. That means going deeper and breaking down each component. For example, the components from the pasta will be the wheat, the salt, the egg, and water, and the components from the tomato sauce will be the tomato and the oil. But it's more than just a list. It's the foundation of production planning, purchasing, inventory, and cost control, and it feeds data into many other business processes. With an accurate and well-connected bill of materials, you can plan with precision, automate manufacturing and purchasing, reduce waste, and keep full control over every cent of your cost. But when it's poorly defined, everything else falls apart. Critical parts are missing at the worst possible time, costs rise without a clear explanation, orders get delayed, and your customers notice. Believe me, at ForgeFlow we connect your bill of materials to every stage of the process. That way you always know what do you need, when do you need it, and what really costs to produce it. Now that you've got your manufacturing receipt, you only need to enter ForgeFlow Cloud and try for free how to optimize your planning today. See you in the next video.